kane katutyo bundu moko musanju muntu liendiende betu kwana niye yiri okwambere yiri tukalangira ebitwe bikata sasa kandi paka na mezi na numusubura nitwabura nga meza kisawa itwabura nga sisawa ine tulyo hatu tumumwa.
Water came from Mount Rwenzori up there, so it came and swept everything. It went up to this level. Our 3 classroom block was taken away. Everything was taken away. In fact, we had shock.
I miss about going to school to go and learn.
The feeling is not so good because we are facing so many things at the same time. We had Ebola the other time, we had floods the other time, there were measles from Congo, we had also had cholera, now again another flood period, now COVID-19. But much as the people are not happy, but they have tried to cope up with whatever situation.
Kasese district, it is one of our hotspots, and making sure that we are able to strengthen systems, we are able to empower communities, we are able to help them build their resilience is a priority for us as UNICEF. We as UNICEF believe in system strengthening. It has been a gradual process of working together with the district, working together with the government, working together with the communities, working together with stakeholders to try and see that we are able to put in place structures, systems that are able to help the communities respond very fast.
All of these interventions with support from UNICEF have helped us curb some of these diseases, reduce on the prevalence of some of these diseases. The trend of how we've been having cholera in the Kasese district, like I talk of 2007 cholera outbreak, 2009 cholera outbreak, 2014 to 2016 cholera outbreak, 2017 some cases of cholera. But as I say now, 2020, we had 0 cholera case.